Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade your Smartsheet account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, you need to open your Smartsheet account. So as you can see, here's the option for the upgrade. So we have to click on the upgrade. So let's click on the upgrade, and I'm going to open this another link. So let's click on this. And now as you can see here, the packages are mentioned here. Now the free we are using currently this one, and as you can see, up to 3 can edit 2 sheets, unlimited dashboards, and 100 automation per month. As you can see now here, the version there's option for the $9 and the pro one. As you can see in this plan, you will get these facilities, these features, and in this package you will get these all facilities. So as you can see, if you want an enterprise multiple 10 user, so you can contact with them and you will get the customized option here. For example, if you want to buy this one, then simply you click on the select pro, and then you need to provide the payment details, and after providing the payment details, then you will be able to use your premium one of your smart sheet. So in this way you can upgrade your smart sheet. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.